Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to prevent specific users from seeing your phone number on Telegram web using your PC. With the latest update, Telegram has made privacy control even easier. And in just a few quick steps, you can hide your number from certain contacts while keeping it visible to others. Let's dive right in. First, open Telegram web on your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on them to open the main menu. From here, go down and select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on Privacy and Security. This section is where all your privacy tools are located, allowing you to control who can see your information, message you, or add you to groups. Next, scroll until you find the option called Who Can See My Phone Number? Click on it. Now, Telegram gives you a few choices here: Everybody, My Contacts, or Nobody. To fine-tune who gets to see your number, choose Everybody. After that, look for the option labeled Never Allow. This is the key step. Click on it, and a list of your contacts will appear. From that list, select the users you don't want to see your phone number. You can choose one person or multiple users, depending on your needs. Once you've made your selection, confirm your changes and go back to save the settings. That's it. Telegram will now hide your phone number from the people you've chosen, even if your general setting allows others to view it.